I feel like we are nearing the end of times for the human race. These chilling words, spoken by Hayao Miyazaki in a 2016 NHK documentary, sent shockwaves through the animation world. The legendary director, known for his breathtakingly beautiful hand-drawn films like Spirited Away and Princess Mononoke, wasn't lamenting some apocalyptic prophecy. He was reacting to something far more specific, an AI-generated animation demo. The demo, which depicted a grotesque, zombie-like figure lurching across the screen, filled Miyazaki with disgust. "I would never wish to incorporate this technology into my work at all," he declared, his disdain palpable. "I strongly believe that this is nothing short of an insult to life itself." This incident, though seemingly insignificant in the grand scheme of things, revealed a fundamental conflict brewing at the heart of animation, a clash between tradition and technology, between the soul of hand-drawn artistry and the cold efficiency of artificial intelligence. Miyazaki, with his unwavering commitment to the human touch, had drawn a line in the sand. To understand Miyazaki's aversion to AI, one must first understand his deep-seated belief in the power of hand-drawn animation. For Miyazaki, animation is not simply about moving pictures. It's about capturing the essence of life itself, the subtle nuances of human emotion, the intangible beauty of the natural world. This, he believes, can only be achieved through the painstaking process of hand-drawing, where each frame is imbued with the artist's own observations, feelings, and experiences. Miyazaki's films are a testament to this philosophy. From the wind rustling through a field of grass in My Neighbor Totoro to the tear rolling down Chihiro's cheek in Spirited Away, every detail is infused with a sense of life and emotion that transcends the screen. This, Miyazaki argues, is something that AI, for all its computational prowess, can never replicate. AI can mimic, it can generate, but it can never truly feel. And without feeling, without that intangible human spark, animation becomes a soulless exercise in technical proficiency. Yet, even as Miyazaki rails against the tide, the world of animation marches on, increasingly embracing the very technologies he so vehemently opposes. AI and 3D animation software, once the stuff of science fiction, have become ubiquitous, offering animators unprecedented levels of speed, efficiency, and creative freedom. Programs like Autodesk Maya and Blender have become industry standards, empowering artists to create stunningly realistic characters and environments with relative ease. Even the Ghibli-esque aesthetic, once considered the exclusive domain of hand-drawn animation, has proven susceptible to the allure of these new tools. Online communities are brimming with AI-generated artwork that emulates the studio's signature style, from whimsical landscapes to adorable creatures. While some may decry these creations as mere imitations, they nevertheless demonstrate the growing accessibility and sophistication of AI in the realm of animation. Ironically, even Studio Ghibli, the bastion of hand-drawn animation, has not remained entirely untouched by the digital revolution. While the studio has long maintained a strict no CGI policy for its feature films, it has experimented with computer-generated imagery in smaller projects. The 2014 short film Boro the Caterpillar, directed by Miyazaki himself, utilized CGI to create its titular character, marking a significant departure from the studio's traditional approach. More recently, Ghibli's 2020 film Earwig and the Witch, directed by Miyazaki's son Goro, fully embraced 3D animation, abandoning the studio's hand-drawn roots entirely. The film's departure from tradition sparked controversy among longtime fans, with some praising its visual innovation while others lamented the loss of Ghibli's signature charm. The debate surrounding AI and animation ultimately boils down to a fundamental question. What is the soul of animation? Is it the painstaking artistry of hand-drawn frames, imbued with the sweat and tears of countless artists? Or is it the boundless creative potential unlocked by technology, capable of generating entire worlds with the click of a button? Miyazaki's stance, though rooted in tradition, serves as a powerful reminder of the human element at the heart of great animation. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it is more important than ever to remember that animation, at its core, is about storytelling, about connecting with audiences on an emotional level. Whether AI can ever truly replicate that human connection remains to be seen, What do you think? Poll, can AI truly capture the soul of animation?